Tonightha, everyone. It's time for another episode of Pajama Gallic, and I am currently partaking in one of my Sunday customs, which is coming to the supermarket in my pajamas to do week shopping. There's a nice visual of where we are. So today I'm going to teach you how to say some phrases that have to do with shopping. So you already know how to say matin va, which is good morning. That's good morning in Gaelic. And then the verb for buying is kiana. So that's kiana. That means buying. So today I'm buying a few very important essentials. So the way to say that I am buying is hami a kiana. So hami a kiana. And in Jew, today I am buying my first item, which is auden. That's bread. So auden is my first item. Auden is bread. I am also buying eam butter. So that's eam. I'm going to show you how to spell that. I am also buying chocolate. So that's chocolate. A very important word to know how to say. And the last thing I'm getting today, well actually, second to last thing, fian. Fian is wine. So of course you have to get your fian. And finally, coffee. Hamiakiana, coffee. Another very important essential. So, now that you have all the food groups covered, you're safe to go back to bed on a Sunday afternoon, which is what I plan to do. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Pajama Gallic, and I'll see you next Sunday. Cheerio!
Flur marav, dead flower.